Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video I am going to testing Honor X6b camera test. By the way, I am already making Honor X6b unboxing and gaming review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. The smartphone comes with a dual camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel AI camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and the front is come with single 5 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera and selfie camera you can record highest 1080 30 fps video, and this is the video quality, and as you can see that is slightly shaky. This is a budget friendly entry level smartphone from Honor. So overall the video quality is average quality. So let's now talk about the picture sample. 50 megapixel camera, you can take a decent picture in a daylight. You can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details. If you have a good lighting condition, you can definitely take a good picture. Color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is decent. Some images you can feel missing some details, but as a budget friendly smartphone the picture quality is okay. Let's now talk about the low light and night photography. Low light photography is decent. If you have a good lighting condition, you can take a good picture, but as you can see that night photography is not good, but you can take a picture with the night mode. Use the night mode to take a better picture and you can get some slightly brighter image compared to normal mode. And 5 megapixel selfie camera, you can take a decent picture. Yeah, you miss lot of details on your picture. So overall as a budget smartphone, Honor X6b camera quality is decent. That's pretty much for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.